Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. This video is going to actually do a flip through of the Inktober week 1, 2019. This is my first Inktober video, and I've decided to do one video a week. I am doing the Jake Parker prompts. So day 1 ring, day 2 mindless, day 3 bait, and I did shark bait, hoo ha ha. Day 4, freeze. Day 5 and 6, I actually am going to go ahead and ink right here on video for you. Unfortunately, the end of day 5 build is not on here. Unfortunately, my recording didn't quite work right. So I'll show you as much as I can. I did go build a bear, as well as some building blocks. So I'm going to play around with textures and see if I can get the bear to look like a bear, and then the building blocks to look like building blocks. So I'll see how I do. Also at the end of the video, I do husky, so I'll show you that one as well. This, like I said, is my first Inktober video, so definitely a lot I've learned. This is the book from Art Snack's Inktober box. I don't feel like some of the inks work very well on it. It kind of pills the paper, so I do my best to get this to work properly. In hindsight, next time maybe I will do a different book, but I did go with the Inktober book. I really like the cover, so I thought it would be really cool to have it in there. But some of the techniques I've tried didn't quite work the best, especially on mindless. Tried to do the whole background gray, and it kind of came out a little uneven. Turned out to be fine in the end because I made it look like a stormy sky, but definitely a lot to learn that it doesn't quite work the way I want on certain papers, so my mistake. I'm going to go ahead and play some music, so sit back, relax, and watch my Inktober videos, and thanks for watching and creating with me, and let me know what you think.